Jay, why don't we begin with the commission on the Supreme Court, the Biden commission that looked into maybe they should be adding some justices.
Yeah, Mark, so as background, then candidate Joe Biden was repeatedly asked during the 2020 election on where he stood on expanding the number of Supreme Court justices. He never really answered that question, and instead in April of this year, he established a 38-member and bipartisan commission to look at potential reforms for the Supreme Court. Recently, a draft report came out. On one hand, the liberals have criticized the report, saying that the draft of the report that discussed the pros and cons of adding seats to the Supreme Court actually didn't focus on the merits of adding those seats, but really talked about the fact that it seemed like it was more about a partisan agenda. And on the other hand, you've had a couple of conservative members that have left, that have resigned from the commission. There does appear to be one area of consensus, and that's on term limits for justices. The United States is actually the only major constitutional democracy that does not have term limits for justices or a fixed retirement age.
What are they suggesting?
Well, there are suggestions between having term limits of between 16 and 18 years, but even there's a catch, because most experts believe that you have to have a constitutional amendment, and as we know, it's difficult to amend the Constitution.